Alright guys, there's a leak on this copper line here, as you can see right here. Good. So it's basically creating the rust that you can see right here. And spilling out a lot of water so far, so I'm gonna repair this line. But I had it in mind to basically just do a repair. But when I look at it now, I see it's very simple to basically just replace it. So it's right here. So the best thing to do is to replace it. I'm just gonna shut off this valve. Oh shit. It's strong. I don't like to basically touch this valve because most times when you touch them, they want to leak. Shut it off. Also going to make sure that the unit is off by just disconnecting one of this thermostat wire right here. Then I'm going to just get to work. I'm just going to remove this. And then I'm just going to pull this end right here also. Good like that. Alright guys, so see, this is my new line. That's extended come around, so basically this is just 10 feet pieces. So all I need to do now is to just tighten up, and basically that's it. Alright, so there we go. As you can see, it's fully rotten, and as you can see here, it's kind of a little bit clogged up too. And this is some of the debris that I got out of it. Yeah, so this is it. Anyway, thanks for watching.